Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to activate Commerzbank online banking. First, go to the Commerzbank website and sign into your account if you already have your online banking access details. If you are a new customer and do not yet have online banking access, follow the registration process to create your online banking credentials. You'll need your personal and account information to complete the setup. Next, download the Commerzbank Photo10 app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Photo10 app and tap Activate Photo10. Then sign in with your online banking username and password. If you received a Photo10 activation letter by mail, allow camera access and scan the activation graphic printed on the letter. If you are a new customer eligible for digital activation, enter the activation code sent to you by SMS and follow the on-screen instructions. After the activation is completed, enable push notifications if prompted. Now return to the Commerzbank website or banking app and sign in using your online banking credentials. When asked for verification, approve the login through the Photo10 app or enter the TAN generated by the app. Once the verification is successful, your Commerzbank online banking will be activated and ready to use for managing accounts, viewing transactions, making transfers, and using other banking services. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.